Messages were delivered by the noble profession to renew their commitment and dedication. A good skit, Padavi Asai, was enacted by the male staff members, and a debate on the influence of mass media, whether good or bad, was conducted by all the staff members. The management honored the teachers with their characteristic magnanimity. At the sports arena, St. John's annual athletic meet was conducted among four houses, red, yellow, blue and green, which opened wide the gates of opportunity for the students to prove their caliber.
Now carrying the Olympic task and is being handed over to Nikhil Abhi, 10th standard, and he wants to become an aerospace engineer. Here it is. Now it's taken by the tallest boy of our school, John Russo, who is a hero that wants to become an aerospace engineer.
The overall championship was backed by the green house and the runners were the yellow house. Tirumadi Angela Lindsay Robin and Tirumadi Shanti Ramesh Kumar were the chief guests and presided over the function, adding spice of intellect to the feast of athletics. Chairman's birthday. We also celebrated our chairman's birthday with great joy and enthusiasm by organizing various inter-house competitions like tableau, dance and singing. Children's Day. Our school staff and teachers are working for the welfare of the children, and it is obvious that we have celebrated the Children's Day in a good manner. The day is being open to the children, and many children have been exhibited their own talent on the stage, especially KG department have come out with a fancy dress competition which was readily mind-boggling. Parents and Grandparents Day. We are always in need of the support of guidance of the parents in our work. As a token of tribute to that, we have celebrated Grandparents Day by conducting competitions like tailing the elephant and the passing the ball. The day was really wonderful with the parents and the grandparents. The meaningful Christmas and New Year celebrations. The advent of December brought with a joyous spirit of Christmas with the tinkling notes of carols and Christmas bells. Mrs. Nalini Wilson, Senior Principal of St. John's Senior Secondary School, Mandavali, presided over the Christmas celebrations and delivered the message of Christ's love and on the significance of the Christmas star. Pastor Asirvadam, President, Ambattur and Tirumalayoil Pastors Fellowship, distributed the gifts. Celebration of public holidays like Independence Day and Republic Day. These days were celebrated by hosting national flag, providing motivational message and sweets to the students. Yellow, green and red days. To identify the colors to inculcate color concept to the tiny tots, were encouraged to observe the various color days. The teacher in charge would inform the parents about the particular color day. On the day, the LKG students would be dressed up in that particular color instead of uniform, and they would bring flowers, fruits and other things pertaining to the color, and the classroom was being decorated with that celebrity color, and thus the color concept will be concretely registered in their mind. Thus the activity-based learning caters much to the students. We also intend to celebrate Sharing Day, which would inculcate habit of sharing among the young minds. Added colors in the cap of St. John's. Co-curricular activities. Apart from academics, we have conducted many non-scholastic and co-curricular activities for the students, such as poetry writing, drama, dance, debate, rhymes, coloring, elocution, fashion designing, wealth of color, vegetable carving, jewelry, designing, and so on. Our students are actively participated in the handwriting competition conducted by Kamarajar Academy, and Miss Elizabeth Monisha of 12th standard and Miss Priya Saral of 11th standard have secured the special prizes of Reebok watches for their excellence in handwriting. Our students have also participated in the Global Talent Kids competition, and nearly 13 students have been awarded the gold medals. Education tours and education trips. We feel it is must for our children to see the outside world. So we have taken out the lower class students as one-day tour to VGP Golden Beach, Birla Planetarium, and to the Children's Park, Gindi, and a long tour to Kodaikanal, and there we had a great time to enjoy like one family. To conclude, from the bottom of my heart, I rejoice in the Lord and praise His everlasting mercy and grace. I thank our beloved chairperson, Tirumadi Sakuntala Rajakumar, for her prayerful support and concern. Next, my heartfelt gratitude to our able chairman, Dr. R. Ramesh Kumar, DD, for his guidance and encouragement. My thanks to our secretary, Madam, Mrs. Shanti Ramesh Kumar, and special thanks to our vice principal, my teachers, of their cooperation, sincerity and dedication to the mission of teaching and disciplining and grooming of the students. I thank the parents and students and beseech our Lord Almighty to bless all your efforts and make your dreams come true. I entreat you to march on the confidence and faith toward the glorious future. Once again, I thank every one of you. Thank you.
Thanks to the chief guest of the day, Dr. David Young and Brother David Meikle, for their obvious presence here, even in their busy schedule. My thanks to my chairman, Right Reverend Dr. R. Ramesh Kumar sir, for all his guidance and guidance towards us. And I thank my secretary, Madam, Mrs. Shanti Ramesh Kumar, for her godly lead with us. And my principal sir, Mr. Samuel Gulasekaran, for our guidance in rendering the work in a sincere and dedicated way. Last, my dynamic teachers, my dear students, and my dear parents, for all their support and guidance in all the activities of our work. My sincere thanks to all the well-wishers of St. John's Group of Schools. Thank you.
நிறைந்த தமிழ்நாடு, உயர் வீரம் பெறுந்த தமிழ்நாடு.
வீரம் நிறைந்த தமிழ்நாடு, உயர் வீரம் பெறுந்த தமிழ்நாடு.
நல்ல காதல் புரியும் அறம்பயர் போரிடம் கண்ணீர் சூழ்ந்த தமிழ்நாடு. தந்தையர் நாடென்ற பேச்சிலே ஒரு சக்தி பிறக்குது மூச்சிலே.
காவிரி தென்பெண்ணை பாலாவி தமிழ் கண்டதரையை பொருளை.
காவிரி தென்பெண்ணை பாலாவி தமிழ் கண்டதுமையை பொருள்.